Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hold the resolve. You notice your frames per second are dropping very quickly or occurring on many different games and applications you may be using on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to go ahead and start this tutorial off by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. Type in regedit, so regedit. Best match should come back a registry editor. You want to right click on that and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on yes. Now before you proceed in the registry, I'd highly suggest that you create a backup of it. In order to do that, it's very simple. Just want to go ahead and left click on the file tab and then select export. Save it to a convenient location on your computer after naming it whatever you want. Usually I would suggest naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Makes the most amount of logical sense to me. And export range should be selected to all. And then again, you just go ahead and left click on OK or save once you're done. So now that you have made the backup, we're ready to begin, and that's going to entail double clicking or left clicking on the little arrow next to the HKey current user folder. So you want to expand that folder. You want to do the same thing for the system folder now. Should be a game config store in here, so just go ahead and left click on that one time. So I'm going to expand this column over a little bit. So first thing you want to look for is game DVR enabled right here. Double click on it. For value data, you want to delete the 1 if there is a 1 in here and type a 0. Base should be hexadecimal, and then left click on OK. And now you want to locate the game DVR FSE behavior mode and go ahead and double click on that. Value data, you want to delete whatever's in here. Probably going to say a 0 in your case. You want to delete it. Type the number 2. Select OK. Now we're going to back out of these previous folders we were just in. And now you want to expand the HK local machine folder like we were doing earlier with the other folders. And once you've expanded that, you want to go do the same thing for the software folder. Same thing for Microsoft. Now you want to look for the policy manager folder. Expand that. And now there should be a default folder in here. Go ahead and expand that one as well. Now there should be something that says application management. Expand that one. And now there should be something that says allow game DVR. So just go ahead and left click on that folder one time. Now there should be a value, D-word value on the right side. So it should say value basically. So go ahead and double click on that. For the value data field, you want to delete the 1. If there's a 1, type the number 0. And then left click on OK. And now once you're done with that, you should be able to close out of here. Restart your computer, and hopefully that should improve some of your performance in your games, as well as other applications potentially. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.